This video guide will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Dude Colors. Dude Colors is the extension that is described by its authors as some helpful utility that can assist you in applying different colors to web page background and find which looks perfect. Maybe this feature is helpful for some categories of people, but the trouble with this particular extension is that very often it is installed by users absolutely unintentionally. So if this extension was added to your Google Chrome without your permission, also you may expect a lot of unwanted ads to be attacking your screen from time to time. Anyway, we strongly recommend that you get rid of this extension immediately by accessing the menu of your Chrome. Go to More Tools, then Extensions. If you see this extension, you need to simply disable and remove it. This should be sufficient enough to fix your browser. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.